guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Like Me by AJ Rafael. Alright, so I can't say easy song because he keeps changing the chords, but it's something you might enjoy learning. One of y'all requested it, so we're doing that for today. So the chords are as follows. This is the verse, okay? G, so we have G, E minor, C, D, G again. And then we start over, okay? So the basic structure of the song is these chords, but we're going to be hammering on the 3rd fret strings B and E to get that 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 1, slide to 5th fret 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1, slide, and then we go to 1 2 1 1 2 1, and then we play D now. 1 2 1 1 2 1, and then we're back on G. Alright, so now let's play that. Now you're going to be holding your chords here, okay, while you do that, the chords that I showed you already. Let's do that. So G, E minor, C, this is already the second verse, second part, E minor, C, we're done. Okay, so it ends on D, not on G, so it's G, E minor, C, D, and that's it. And then we're starting on the second part. And my strumming pattern here is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, and then we start over, down, down, up, down, okay? And then we get into, because I don't know how I handle these, this is probably the pre-chorus. I don't know if it's the chorus, but yeah. C, D, E minor, A minor, C, D. This is actually impressive. You didn't use so many chords this time. Let's do that again. Okay, so C, D, E minor, A minor, C, D. And then we're back in the verse with a G. Oh no, that G is the flute. And then we start the second verse. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. The second verse sounds like the first verse, and probably the chorus is the same. That's been it for this tutorial, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out, and I will get to that. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.